So next, we're just going to do a quick exercise. So what I'd like you to do is I would like you to get a version of your website up on your screen, and I'd like you to find something that you can use to obscure that vision. So perhaps it's a piece of cellophane, or perhaps it's something that you can use. Perhaps you squint your eyes is often a good way. But what I would like you to do is I'd like you to have a look at a blurred version of your website and see which elements actually stand out on the page. If it's not what you want to stand out, it's time to go back and make some revisions, and the blurred version will present a bare bones representation of your visual hierarchy. So if there are some things on your page that you'd really like to stand out and not, you maybe need to have a think about your overall design. So we're just going to take a pause there. I'd like you to go away, have a look at your website, or a particular website that you're going to be focusing on, or an email, and do the blur test, and then we'll come back in a second.